Welcome to our channel educational site. From this channel, you will learn many lessons in science, English, mathematics, history, and more. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now so you can learn a lot.
Our lesson for today is about plate tectonics. In the early 20th century, a scientist named Alfred Wegener called this supercontinent Pangaea. The theory of plate tectonics states that the Earth's solid outer crust, the lithosphere, is separated into plates that move over the asthenosphere, the molten upper portion of the mantle. So what is plate tectonics? According to the plate tectonics theory, this mass of lithospheric plates are all moving in the different ways. Where these plates meet are called the boundaries. There are three types of plate tectonics boundaries. Convergent plate boundary. A tectonic boundary where two plates are moving toward each other. If the two plates are of equal density, they usually push up against each other, forming a mountain chain. A transform fault or transform boundary is a fault along a plate boundary where the motion is predominantly horizontal. Most such faults are found in oceanic crust, where they accommodate the lateral offset between segments of divergent boundaries, forming a zigzag pattern. In plate tectonics, a divergent boundary or divergent plate boundary is a linear feature that exists between two tectonic plates that are moving away from each other. Divergent boundaries within continents initially produce rifts, which eventually become rift valleys. So what is Earth's interior? The Earth is made up of three layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The study of these layers is mostly done in Earth's crust since mechanical probes are impossible due to the tremendous heat and very high pressure underneath the Earth's surface. Seismic wave. An elastic wave and produced by an earthquake or other means. There are two main types of seismic wave. The long wave or primary wave. The Rayleigh or secondary wave. The primary wave. Primary wave is a pulse energy that travels quickly through the earth and trough the liquid. The primary wave's faster than the secondary wave. The secondary wave. Secondary wave is a pulse energy that travels slower than a primary wave's trough earth and solid. So we will proceed to the next topic. The composition of the Earth's interior. By this time, Mrs. Kendall will discuss it to you.
Good afternoon everyone, so my name is Ivy Kendra. I'm going to discuss about the composition of Earth's interior. Okay, let's begin. The Earth's composition tells a story about itself. It gives us clue to its past and proofs about the gradual and slow changes that it has undergone for over 4.6 billion years. The crust. The outermost of rock of which a planet consists, especially the part of the Earth above the mantle. The mantle. The mantle is the mostly solid bulk of Earth's interior. The mantle lies between Earth's dense, superheated core and its thin outer layer, the crust. The core. At the center of the Earth is the core, which has two parts. The solid, inner core of iron has a radius of about 760 miles 1,220 kilometers, according to NASA. It is surrounded by a liquid, outer core composed of a nickel-iron alloy.
Some terms that you will encounter in your science first quarter. Continental volcanic arc. Mountain formed in part by igneous rock activity associated with subduction of oceanic lithosphere beneath a continent. Convergent boundary. A boundary in which two plates move towards each other causing one of the slabs of the lithosphere to subduct beneath an overriding plate. Continental crust. The thick part of the Earth's crust, not located under the ocean, oceanic crust. The thin part of Earth's crust, located under the ocean, earthquake. Vibration of the Earth due to the rapid release of energy, fracture. Any break in a rock in which no significant movement has taken place, geology. Science that study Earth, magma. A mass of molten rocks formed at depth including dissolved gases and crystals. Mid-ocean ridge. A continuous mass of land with long width and height on the ocean floor. Plates. A rigid section of the lithosphere that move as a unit. Plate tectonics. A theory which suggests that the Earth's crust is made up of plates that interact in various ways, thus producing earthquake, mountains, volcanoes and other geologic features. Primary wave. The first type of seismic wave to be recorded in a seismic station. Secondary wave. Second type of earthquake wave to be recorded in a seismic station. Seismogram. A record made by a seismograph. Subduction. An event in which a slab of rock thrusts into the mantle. So that's complete our lesson for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.